How to check blocked accounts on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see who you have blocked on Discord. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone. And here, make sure that you're logged in with your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down and tap on content and social. And now here under the content and social section, simply scroll down and here you can see the option labeled as blocked accounts. So simply tap on that. And here on the new page, as you can see, I haven't blocked any accounts right now. But if you have blocked any accounts on Discord, you'll see that account in here. And that's it. That's how you can check blocked accounts on Discord. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.